Hey folks, today is, here it is, February the 18th. It's currently about 9:31 in the morning. We are in the trade room right now, as you guys can see. And here is the chart. I actually just got logged in here, so we're waiting on Chris to get signed in here. And we'll get started once he does. You can see here I got in about 9:29. All right, so I'll be back with you guys momentarily.
Fun with trading with the scanner last night? That was crazy, wasn't it?
All right, guys, he's now in the trade room. People are just talking here.
I showed you guys some moves with that scanner last night, huh?
J Pips, I'm up 1K with the
You gotta
scanner
make that
since
BO
last
scanner work
night.
now? You gotta show you mad moves last night, right? That BO scanner, oh my gosh. It's like not even fair.
All right, so now I'm just waiting for him to get set up and everything so we can get started.
I got it, guys. Don't worry about it. I got it. I'm fixing my screen.
And we'll come back once he's ready. I don't want this hopefully not to run more than 30 minutes. So I'll be back once we're ready to start trading. And for those of you guys that don't know what the scanner is, that's the other product that comes with the membership, the Forex product. Like I've said before, you get the trade room, which is what I'm in right now. You also get the, let me see here, the trade copier service. I was going to try to pull up that website, but I'll just do it later on. But yeah, you get the trade copier service, the trade room, and then also the scanner. Excuse me. And that's what they're talking about here. So the scanner is one of the other items you get with your membership with Forex. So there's quite a bit that comes with your monthly payment here. All right, be back with you guys momentarily.
We're ready to buy, guys. All right, guys. We're buying. This is horrible. I'm not going to do this again.
Order filled.
This is horrible. Put my stop, it's a bad. Got about a point stop. I got a point and a half stop. I can't even get filled properly. This is horrible. I'm sorry, guys. This is horrible. There's no way to work.
All right, so it looks like he's having issues getting filled. Same thing I was having. Basically, it just takes a little bit of time to enter you.
The S&P 500 E-mini futures.
This is where he is.
Keeping a tight stop here, guys. Tight stop. 19 stop.
19. Wow. Okay. So we're only risking two ticks now.
Give me a point stop. Total point stop. 1 point stop. If they can't pop here, fine. I'm not going to mess with it today. I don't like the way we got filled. This is horrible. Too slow. Way slow.
Stop filled.
All right. So just took a 2-tick stop there. And actually, it looks like he moved it back to 1 point. And I was still at 2 ticks. So that was my own mistake. And of course, how about that?
I can't even stop.
You'll have to excuse the dog. But of course, once my 2-tick stop gets hit, it starts pushing up. If I would have looked at the room, I would have saw. Oh well, it is what it is. We'll continue watching this.
guys, close the trade. I'm just closing the trade. Closing the trade. You may have got a scratch break even or something like that. Not cool. All right, we push down one more time. That'll be our third little drive, and we'll see if we can get into it, okay? It's the S&P futures. It's the S&P 500 E-mini futures, okay? S&P E-mini futures. A little bit different than Forex. We're going to watch this one more time. If it starts to hold here, we're going to buy them again. All right? We're going to buy them again if they hold. If not, we're going to see if they can get that third push. All right, right in here, guys. Buying them. Put on stops right below the market. Horrible. Horrible. Hard to get filled here, guys. It's kind of wacky. I'm so sorry.
I'm going to see here if we can get filled at 1920.00. Waiting for it to step back down just a little bit. He's already in. Again, this is only my second day in the room, so I'm going to obviously make some mistakes, but let's see if we can get that point. How about that?
Stop at 2050. Stops at 2050. Gonna keep it very, very tight here. It's got to go. Yep. Well. Okay. Got treated like hot potato this morning, guys. It still can come down for one more test down. That's what I'm watching for. Yeah, this is different than Forex. This is futures. It's a bit different. Who's in the room that's new? Who's new this morning? Who's new this morning? Okay. So, all right, good. Okay, so let me go into a little explanation. Okay. We trade the Forex markets. We do them at 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern, from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern. However, today I had to do something. I left, and I just got back at 9:30. Now, from 9:30 to 10:30, we trade the futures. This is the futures. The futures are basically they're an index. You're trading the U.S. stock market. So as an index, there's 500 of the top stocks, and we trade them as an index. We trade an index, highly leveraged, similar to Forex. So, as you progress, no. Let me write it down here for you guys. And go to webinar room. Okay.
All right, folks, I wanted to catch as much as I can in the actual trade room itself here, but while he's explaining this stuff, I'm going to go ahead and pause it until he gets back to the trading, and I'll be back momentarily. All right, he's talking about futures again.
I'm just scared to short because of the how slow the system is, quite honestly. All right. So the futures. Let me write down. Let me type in what the futures are. Okay. It just feels like it wants to go down again, though. So I don't mind taking some risk on the way up. I'm going to work the short side here, guys. I'm selling them.
Order
And
filled.
put the stop above the high. Let's see if we get stopped out or not or whatever. Put a 2-point stop, basically. Okay, I got like a 50-cent stop. Real small stop in the market, guys. Real small stop. 50 cents. Small stop. Break even stops, guys. Break even stops. Break even stops, guys. Let's see what happens now.
Target filled.
Got break even stops, guys. Watch and see if this wants a break or not here. Let's see if it's real. This breakdown is real today. It is just a wacky, wacky environment, guys. I'm so sorry. Just a wacky, wacky environment. What are you going to do? It's like they want to go down, but they don't want to go down, you know?
Stop filled.
Unbelievable. Just a wacky, wacky environment. Could have grabbed profits down there. I was looking for. Look at this. What is going on? Is it news or something? What is happening? That's weird. Maybe some news hit the market. Nice. It's rare, but this is called a broadening pattern. It's rare, but it's called a broadening pattern. Give another shot to the short side, guys. Give another shot to the short side. This is no good. Can't
Order
get filled.
filled.
This is horrible. Horrible. I'm exiting, guys. I'm exiting. I'm exiting. I can't do this. Market's too wacky here, guys. Just going to leave it alone. Just going to leave it alone. Not trading it today, guys. We're not doing it. Sorry. I don't know what it is, but there's
Target
something
filled.
that spooked the market pretty bad here. Sean, reboot. Come back in. Okay. Steven, where you been, man? Where you been? How long you been in the company? Steven, how long you been in the company? Maybe try this one more time. This is horrible. Pretty much. I think Vince, we'll see. Watch this area. If they can hold here, we're going to be buying. Watching. Also watching down here. We got a broadening pattern, so this is a breakout pattern, okay? So let's see if it puts us 6th, 7th, or does it hold here and turn up and explode back to the upside? It's kind of one of those type of actions. So we're watching. You're watching, guys. If it comes back above our balancing point, potential buying area, what? Yeah, 650 shot at, oh, right, nice. Okay, guys. Watch it as a potential buy down here. I'm buying them down here just for a very, very tight stop. I can't get filled properly. This is horrible. It's not a way to live. Very, very tight stop, guys. Very tight stop. See if they hold them and turn up. Really, really tight stop, guys. 3 ticks risk. That's it. Tight. Tight. 3 ticks risk, guys. I'm out of it.
I've already made my profit for the day with it, so I'm just watching right now.
Keep it a point risk. That's about it. Let's see if it pops here. Two ticks risk now. 2 ticks risk. That's about it. It's got to go. I'm not going to mess with it, guys. Yeah, not worth it. Keeping very, very, very tight stops here, guys, if anything. I'm going to try to buy it again. Buying them again down here. Buying them again down here, guys. Those are horrible, though. Hey.
Merry Christmas. What's up?
Guys, I'm exiting here. Break even. Broke even, guys. I'm out. Hold on. And it's kind of like still forming this base down here. A real wacky situation this morning.
All right, guys. So as you can see in the trade room here, people are making money. 925 profit, 250. I made a profit today as well. It's just really depending on.
Man, you guys are kicking my ass today. That's for sure. You're kicking my butt, man.
Just depends on your stops and take profit levels.
Yeah, the New York session goes through Forex and futures. Basically, New York session a lot of times is follow through from the night before. And
basically what I do is one-to-one.
Oh, gee, you guys are eating, man. You're kicking my butts. Oh my God, you guys are kicking my butts here. You guys are rocking it. Jeez.
All right, I figured out how to mute it in the room, but basically what I do is I do a one-to-one risk-to-reward ratio. And like you said, this was a pretty wacky day here. Just lots of up and down, as you guys can see here. But you can also see that just about everybody made money today because the calls are good. And like with my one-to-one risk-to-reward ratio, as you guys saw in my one trade, I was able to get that first profit target taken out, and I was able to leave that second one on as a runner. All right, so we're at 28 minutes now. I'll go ahead and continue here just in case he has any more information he wants to give out, and then I'll end it then.
Kicking my butts. You see this? I can't even trade. I can't even get filled properly. I'll just put the stop here, but bottom line is I can't get filled. This is horrible. I can't even get filled right. Look at this. Yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I have to reboot my system or something. I don't know what's going on. All right? If this doesn't go down, I'll take a little loss, but sorry about it. You guys are kicking my ass today, man. You guys are eating. I'm starving, man. I'm like pinching for pennies down here. Oh my God. You guys are ruining me. Oh my God. All right, so you like the big man when he failed. It's okay. It's okay if I lose. Oh man, every once in a while I gotta lose. I don't care. I give a little back to the market. Look, it's normal. Look, you get system issues or whatever. Yeah. At least I could break even here, guys. At least I can get down a little bit, break even. Can't even get out properly. Jeez, look at this.
Looks like he's having the same issues I was having
I can't. I just
the
can't
other
get
day.
out. Yeah.
As you can see, I'm at 85% now, so it's a bit better
Hey, Ronnie, good girl.
than what it was on the
How
last
you
video.
doing? Everybody's eating.
And I'm able to
I gotta shut my
get in
system
and
down
out
or
a little
something,
bit
man.
better.
I gotta do something. It's not working properly. Let me just shut everything down.
All right, so it looks like he's shutting down here for today's session.
All right.
So I'm going to go ahead and mute this, and I'll come back. I don't think I'm going to be able to trade tomorrow. Let me see here. I think tomorrow's Friday. Yep, tomorrow's Friday, so most likely not going to be able to be in the room, but I will be back hopefully on Monday so that we can get most likely the entire week here. That's going to be the goal. And basically, I'm trying to get as much time into the trade room as I can so you guys can see how it operates. And you can see how the people in there are making money and if they're making money. But as you guys have seen, people are definitely making money here. All right, so if you want to get more information, I wanted to keep this around 30 minutes, but I'm a little bit above it here. If you want to get more information on the trade room, definitely click the link below. As I said earlier, it's not just the trade room that you guys are going to be getting. You're also going to be getting the trade copier for Forex. And I suppose I can go ahead and just pull that up. One second, let me pull that up for you guys. All right, this is the trade copier service here. You get this free, or it's included, I should say, in your membership. You can see here cross pairs and pips, smooth sterling, steady Freddy, and the Euro Trader Master. All right, low risk, medium risk, and high risk system here. So these are the ones you're going to have to choose from right now. But they did say that they're going to try to get at least 12 profitable traders in here that we can pick from here. And again, this is a trade copier service, so you just attach it to your MetaTrader 4 platform, and you'll get whatever trades the vendor here or this individual gets. And also, you get the actual software that they use in the Forex room as well. Have 4 winning trades in the London session. See what else they're talking about. 120 bucks on CAD, Japanese yen. So you can see they're talking about Forex right now in there. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys got to see a lot this morning. I think so here. Wasn't necessarily a typical trading day, but it happens. It's just a part of it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this. I'm just rambling here. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email or visit me at EmpireAmbition.com. And make sure you click the link below to get signed up so that way they'll know I sent you. And that way I'll also be able to help you if you have any questions on anything you guys see me doing here. All right, take care, folks. Another winning day.